Hello? Is someone there? I am lost and it is dark.
Pissed. Come here, boy.
It is too dark. I am scared.
Do not be afraid. Look at this red box.
Whoa! The box is moving. What is inside?
It is a special gift. It contains magic sugar.
Is it a toy? I like new toys.
No, it is magic sugar that makes dreams come true.
I hear a bell.
That is the magic. Come closer to me, Bobby.
No, I should go home. My mom is waiting.
Stay. Look at the beautiful blue light.
Whoa! It is very bright. It looks like a star.
Follow me and you can have it.
Yes, but I am not allowed to stay.
Touch the magic box. Feel the power.
No, I am afraid.
It is just the wind. Don't be scared. Step into the alley. I have more boxes.
No. Mom, wait for me.
Bobby, walk faster. We need to find lunch.
I am coming, Mom.
The sun is hot. Let's find some shade.
Look, the park is huge. I want to run.
The grass is soft.
I see birds. They sing a happy song.
They sing because the weather is beautiful.
Their song is pretty.
Look at the ducks. They are in the pond.
The water is clear. Can we sit, Mommy?
Sit under this tall tree.
The tree is big. Its leaves are loud.
Time for lunch. Do you want a cheese sandwich?
A cheese sandwich? Yes.
I put tomatoes inside. They are healthy.
They are red and round.
This cheese will make you feel strong.
It makes me feel strong.
Eat your bread. We need energy to play.
Can we play ball?
Yes, here is the ball. Stay near me.
Mom? I saw a strange box in the alley.
In the alley, stay away from that place.
It had a bell. A man wanted to show me magic.
Was that a dream? You have a big imagination.
No, it was real.
I see a man watching us. Drink your juice and be quiet. Bobby, listen to me. This is very important.
Yes, Mom? I am listening.
Look at my face. That man is bad.
Why are you serious?
That man is not a friend. He is the candy man.
Is he here now?
Yes, he is watching you. He steals children.
Does he steal children?
He uses candy to trick kids. Remember my rule.
What is the rule?
Rule 1. Do not speak. Do not say a word.
Not even hello?
No, 0 words. A stranger is not your friend.
I will stay silent.
Be a quiet stone. Do not let him hear you.
I will look at the ground.
If he shows you chocolate, you must run.
I will run to the bench.
Run fast. Do not wait for him.
Is he scary?
Yes, Like ice, I need water. Stay here.
I do not want to be alone.
No, watch my bag. I will be back.
I will stay, Mom.
Do not talk to strangers. Remember the stone rule.
I promise. I am a stone.
Hello, little stone. Why are you all alone?
Oh, you are here.
You are quiet. Do you want to play?
I cannot talk to you.
Want to see magic? I have tricks.
What kind of magic?
Look. 1, 2, 3. A giant chocolate egg.
Ah, it is big.
A silver robot is inside. It can walk.
I like robots. They are my favorite toys.
I am your friend.
No, you are a stranger.
Your mom is mean. She stops your fun.
No, she is nice.
She gives you bread. I give gold coins.
Chocolate gold coins?
I have many. Smell the caramel.
It smells good.
This is for you. I have a palace of cookies.
A palace of cookies?
Yes. The floors are made of sugar.
That sounds like a dream.
Let's go now. My carriage is waiting.
Can we go fast?
Yes. Step towards the black van.
Is the black van your carriage?
It is the candy van. Take my hand.
Your hand is very cold.
Magic ice, Bobby. Follow me and be rich. Walk faster. Get inside the van.
Wait, I want to stop.
Cookies are inside. Get in.
No, I don't like it.
It smells like sugar. Do not be a baby.
Stop. I want my mom.
You are coming with me. I have your arm.
Let go of me.
Be quiet. If you scream, I will be angry.
Help! Help me! Someone help me!
No one can hear you.
Mom, the candy man is taking me.
Get in the van now.
No, I am hitting you. You liar.
Quiet. Stop that.
Help! Police! Save me!
Hey, stop right there. Put the boy down.
Oh no. The police.
Hands up. Do not move.
Officer Stone, save me.
Drop the boy. Your time is over.
He lied to me.
Stay back, Bobby. Go to the bench.
I am safe.
You are a thief. I see the van.
He has no cookies.
You're safe, Bobby.
Thank you, officer.
Bobby, my baby, I was looking for you.
Mom, I am here.
I was so worried. I thought you were gone.
Mom, I'm sorry. I broke the rule.
Why did you talk to him?
He showed me a magic egg.
It is okay now.
I will never leave you. I love you, Mom.
He is a dangerous liar. He's going to jail.
Is he going to jail forever?
Yes, he will not trick anyone else.
Did you eat any candy, Bobby?
No, I was smart. I threw it away.
Good. They were just rocks covered in paint.
I screamed for help. I was brave.
I heard you and I ran fast.
I was a stone first, then a lion.
Good job, Bobby. You were very smart.
Should I always scream?
Yes. Use your voice when you're in danger.
Let's go home.
Can we have mom cookies for dessert?
Yes, they are made with love.
Real mom cookies are best.
Remember, no strangers. Stay with your mom.
I will never talk to a stranger again.